There we go. Wow.
Let's get the first one. Hold on. Hold up, man. Let me get a better angle.
Oh, fuck.
Just fuck the bitch up.
Hit the fucking ass.
Alright, swing it that way. Make up your mind, bro.
He's insane in the membrane.
Oh!
Ah, my toe.
That had to hurt.
Yeah. Okay.
Ah. Just fucking. Hold on. Just get like one final good one. This is all that's left. Hold on. Grab it for a second. I want to take another swing at it. Fucking just.
Fucker. Oh, shit. Oh. Dude, it came up and hit me right in the heads. Hit me in the balls.
You okay, bro? Alright, looks like we smashed the bitch.
Smashed my nuts, too.
So, man, how do you stop it?
Don't stop it.
What, do you just let it run?
We're still recording.
Oh, we're not done yet?
No. Where's Mark at?
I don't know.
Oh, he left. That's cool.
That's cool, man.
Shit, we gotta clean all this up.
At least just move it in the yard, man.